the homepage. Actually, ang homepage will ask for your username and password. But because of confidentiality, ang galing po ng app namin, na pag dun sa portion na magta-type pa ng password, hindi mo pwede project. Galing, no? So we're already showing you the screen after you punch in your password. So ito na yun, ang makikita mo is, you might be familiar with mga e-wallet. It's a similar interface, pero iba po ha, the 2991 that you see is not cash. That's not yours. It's not cash that you transferred from your maybe bank account to your e-wallet. It's not an e-wallet po, to be clear. It's credit. So the 2991 is the credit that's left available for this member. Now for members of the press, because our corporate accounts will be familiar, Mercury Drug, we've shared this with you. We give our members, most of them at least, 3,000 pesos credit. So pag sinabing ganyang 2991, gumamit na siya ng 9 pesos. So ang natitira is 2991. Guys, can I borrow the piece of paper that... Ayan. Okay. So may konti lang akong guide. Okay. So yan ang interface. Now, you will see, yan ang mga tabs, doctor's transaction, merchant transaction. Siguro po, ang pinaka-importanting button is yung merchant transaction. Because when you're already in Mercury and want to make a transaction, that's the button you press to go to the camera function of the phone para ma-scan yun na yung QR code ng SureServe kay Mercury. But we'll go to that later. Gusto ko lang muna daanan yung sa baba. Can you scroll down? Okay. You will see partner merchants. Yan yung mga tumatanggap po ng SureServe credit as payment. Okay? So, it's a closed loop network, no? And then, can you do a sample? Can we click on partner merchants? Ayan. So, naghahanap ka ng clinic, naghahanap ka ng pharmacy, o naghahanap ka ng hospital? Siyempre, naghahanap tayo ng pharmacy. Okay. Sa pharmacy, can we click? You will see all our partner merchants na pharmacies, so again, who accept. And of course, wala nang magiging mas importante pa kaysa sa kulay ng suot ko ngayon. Mercury Drug. So let's try it. Mercury Drug Corporation. And here, you will see, although, you know, obvious naman eh. Ang Mercury hindi na kailangan ng directory ito. May Mercury sa bawat kanto. But, you know, just the same, it's all there. Arranged alphabetically from Acropolis, Rodriguez, hanggang sa baba. Huwag mo nang ibaba. Pero it shows all the 947 branches in GMA and Vismin where SureServe credit will be accepted. Okay, sidebar lang po ako ng konti, you would understand this. Meron pong mga Luzon branches, North, South, Central, Cagayan, and Bicolandia. Another 500 branches on the way po. Okay, on the way po. Ang tawag po sa kanila is Trinity, but that's another topic altogether. But GMA, Mega Manila ng konti, medyo labas ng konti ng Manila, Bulacan, ganyan, Cavite, and Vismin, buong Vismin po. All those 947 branches are already in the in-app directory of SureServe. Okay. So let's say, okay, taga Acropolis, nasa Acropolis na ako. I will exit this tab. I'll exit this tab. And I'll finally go to Mercury. So, kunwari, itong customer natin, si Chanel, yan, kasama po na CSR, on one nice afternoon, she walks into Mercury. Palakpakan naman natin yung aking bagong Mercury branch. May Mercury na para sa Aromata. Grabe. Okay. Kamusta, Bekta? Ayos lang. Okay. So, it's a nice afternoon. Si Chanel walks in to buy her medicines and she will head straight to the counter. Okay? So, isa-scan ng kahera, si Kez, yung items, para malaman, magkano ba? Magkano, Kez? 50? Konti naman na binili. O, sige, 50, sabihin natin. The customer Chanel, mabagal lang to dahil in-annotate ko. Sa totoong buhay po, seconds lang po ito, ha? Kaya lang para lang humalinaw. Siya ho, walang pera. Walang GCash. Walang credit card. Alam niyo po ba na ang credit card, ang meron lang 3% ng Pilipino sa buong Pilipinas? So SureServe is able to make credit cards available to the working class, to the 50%. No? That's the accomplishment that we are proud of. We're able to provide a credit card to those who are not able to access credit cards because of the voluminous requirements of formal institutions. But anyway, nagyayabang na ba ako? Hindi naman, proud lang tayo that we're able to provide a credit card. Because it's a credit card. So ito, wala siyang pera, wala siyang cash, wala siyang GCash, wala siyang credit card, pero meron siyang SureServe. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Susie. So instead of pulling out a cashier card, your customer will ask, sabihin niya, Ma'am Cashier, I will pay with SureServe. And she will open her account. She will open her account and she will press on merchant transaction. Sinabi sa kanya, 50 pesos. So she will scan the QR code. That's an actual QR code. That's a live transaction. She will enter the amount of 50. Yung description, wala lang yan. You can say medicines, you can say blah blah blah. Kahit ABC lang ho ilagay dyan, lulusot naman po. Ang importante yung amount, yung 50. Okay. Yung promo voucher, ano lang ho yan, minsan may promo ho kami to our new members of free 100 pesos off. Ganyan ho kami sa SureServe. Talagang marigalo kami. Yeah. And then continue. Okay. Now, kaya nag-off yan, kasi this is the point, parang kanina confidential yung password, confidential din yung MPIN. So automatically, hindi nyo po makita yung transaction because we are, the app, which was nicely built, if I may say so, is robust and will protect our members. Hindi nyo makikita yung MPIN na tinatype ni Chanel. She types her MPIN, ayun na, transaction approved. Ang haba ko lang magsalita, madaldal lang po ako, pero seconds lang po yun. So nakita na dyan, meron ng reference number. This is for the assurance of Mercury that it's a legitimate transaction. And then simultaneously, meron hong telepono yung kahera namin, kahera ng Mercury, hindi namin. Porkit naka-red. Meron hong telepono yung kahera ng Mercury that will show the exact reference number na nakita ni Chanel nung customer. Kung ano ho yun, makikita din, ito, pumasok na yung text. Ayan, 50 pesos. 122. Ngayon, as in right now, live. Galing system, pasok. In seconds. In seconds. 122. Yung kahera saw that meron siyang reference number, that is her cue that she can already give the medicines worth 50 pesos to Chanel the customer. Tapos, unboxing. And without cash, without other means, our customer was able to buy her much-needed medicines from none other than the #1 drugstore in the Philippines, Mercury Drug Corporation. Yun lang. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.